Hey YouTube, this is Angie from Naturally Naz, and today we are making our highly intensive main moisture leave-in conditioner. This is on becoming very popular and have customers buying again and again. Now that's awesome. Don't you move. And so at this moment, I am doing my first phase, which is measuring my water phase. And the water phase consists of some amazing ingredients such as distilled water, glycerin, and some aloe vera juice, and amazing things, and great humectants that will trap the moisture to your hair and keep it nice, moisturized, and soft. Ooh. So this is the time for the oil phase. When you make emulsions like lotions, hair conditioners, face cream, it's a oil and water phase, and you have to bind both of them together with an emulsifier. Awesome. Now it's the end of pouring in, measuring all my oil phase. Now just with the water, I'm going to put it in the double boiler so both of them can heat up to about 165-70 degrees. Then they'll be both hot enough around the same temperature so we can blend them together. All right? Yes, so we are down to the final lap of making our highly intensive main moisture hair conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner, and now both phases, the water phase and the oil phase, have been melted or heated. Then I will add them together and use my stick blender, which is a high shear, to blend them together and cause a better emulsion. So here we are, adding the oil to the water phase. So in making all these emulsions for hair and skincare, you have to have an emulsifier, meaning that ingredient that emulsifies, that blends everything together well, that mixes and keep them stayed together so that they will play nicely and agree in the product and there will be no separation. Now, whenever you have an emulsion coming together with oils and water heated, and you're mixing it, once it's poured in together, it becomes a white mixture. All right? Yes, so this is the very last of the last phase. I'm adding my cool down phase. This leave-in conditioner was specifically created for dry, curly, or kinky hair. Even if you have straight hair and it's dry, this will be amazing. You just have to use much smaller amount. Okay, amazing essential oils, and they smell awesome. Natural, all natural, EcoCert preservative. Yay, and I'm happy. So now that the preservative is now added, that's the final of the final of all the phases, it's time to just mix some more, get it all fully, completely emulsified, everything thoroughly mixed so there'll be no separation, no issues. Then we'll pour them into bottles. We are ready to pour, and I'm going to show you how I pour in my jars. Yeah, it's nice and thick and rich and perfect. I made this specifically for coily, kinky, dry hair that needs the oils and the hydration also. The hydration is from the water. Yes, the hydration is from the water. The oils will keep your hair moisturized and soft and silky. But the hair, which is over 70% water, needs that water to make it healthy and soft. Hope you like this video. I enjoyed making it, and please like this video, subscribe to Naturally Naz channel, and hit that little notification bell beside the subscriber button where you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Also, please share this video to support the Naz, alright? And make a nice comment down below where we can interact. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming on over here on Naturally Naz channel and supporting and liking and enjoying the view. See you in the next video. Thank you. Have an awesome time. Bye-bye.